Hi, we are Chris and Kim from Wisconsin, and we are graduates of the McRae program, and just wanted to share what we really received out of our experiences here. Before we attended, we were experiencing a lot of strained communication between the two of us.
I feel that we weren't as honoring as we could have been in our communication, and with that it was just building stress in our marriage to the point that in some instances I think either or one of us would have liked to just went our separate ways. And with the help of the program, I believe that we've gained and access tools to identify our needs and communicate them in a healthy way. And not only are we working on our marriage, but we also have a business. So these skills we will use not only personally, but in our business and with our customers.
The modeling of the communication skills is a real huge benefit to not only help us with our own personal skills, but obviously together in our marriage to really relieve the tension and strife that we were experiencing.
And so if you're thinking about taking this program separately, we at least, would you agree? Mm-hmm. Would suggest that you come together. Though it may seem frightening to share and bear be real with your spouse, it really is key, because one of you alone would come back and the other person would be blown away. So we just encourage you to come together, because you get to see each other grow in the moment, and you get to cheer them on and bring things back together.